In this example, it says the blue line represents the cost of renting a car from Ace Rental. The red line represents the cost of renting a car from Star Car Rental. I want you to write a system of linear equations based on this information in the graph. Well, let's start with the blue line. So our blue line, notice it starts at 45 because that's the y-intercept. And then it seems that if you go up 5, you go over, let me see, we're counting by 20s, aren't we? So we're going up 5 and over 20. 5/20 is 1/4. And since we're talking money, I think I'll put that in terms of money. That'll be 0.25. So let's write that equation. So we're going to start at 45, and we're going to add 25 cents for every mile. Now let's do the same thing for the red line. So if we look at this red line, we start at 35. Now, it doesn't go through the corner there until we get right here. That's called the lattice point. So it looks like you're going from 35 to 65. So we're going up 30. And then we're going over 100, right? Because we're going from 0 to 100. So 30 over 100 are 30 cents. So we're going to write y equals 35 plus 0.35x. Now let's put that in terms of the meaning for each equation. So we'll start with ACE. So ACE charges $45 plus 25 cents for each mile. And then we'll turn around and we'll say Star charges $35. And I just noticed I put 0.35, didn't I? It's 0.3. Charges $35 plus 30 cents for each mile. In example 3, we want to solve this system and describe its meaning in terms of the context. Well, I think this one is definitely one we want to solve by graphing. When I look at where do these two lines intersect? Well, they intersect right here at this point, which is, bring that down, which is 220 miles and $100. So at 220 miles, both companies charge the same amount. Which means since Star charges less to start with, so up to that point, Star would be more efficient. More economical, we should say, because it's cheaper. After that point, Ace would be better. So if you're going to rent a car and take a long trip, you would want to go with Ace. If you're going to rent the car just because you need it for in town, then Star would be the best case.